have either.
You're all upstanding citizens.
But today we're going to imagine what it would be like. So Josh and Preston are going to play our cops. So I'm going to send them away.
Hi guys.
And we're going to get some information about the crime that I have committed today. Oh, never mind. They're going to stay. I'm going to leave. I'll be right back.
The way this works,
I just want to be with you as much as I can.
Sarah basically had it just backwards. She's being brought in to be interrogated for something, but she doesn't know what it is. It's some weird, bizarre crime. It's something that might not even be a crime. It's just kind of weird, like eating popcorn not in a movie theater or something like that. It could be something really weird, like a crime that's not even a crime. What's an example of something weird you could do that's not really a crime?
Jaywalking.
Okay, so maybe jaywalking in a certain place.
Tightrope walking.
Tightrope walking. How about tightrope walking in Jamaica Plain? Tightrope walking in Jamaica Plain.
We're great.
Tightrope walking in East Boston.
Tightrope walking
Okay.
in Pierce Park.
So, in where?
Pierce Park.
Okay, tightrope walking in, let's make it tightrope walking in East Boston. Okay, so she was tightrope walking in East Boston. And she didn't just do this by herself. She had a celebrity accomplice here. Someone kind of bizarrely famous who you would not associate with tightrope walking. So who's someone? Warren Buffett? Okay. So Sarah was tightrope walking in East Boston with Warren Buffett. I'm going to go bring our perp in.
Without a permit.